My students, our is today rotation. Rotation is a type of transformation which divides into three types: reflection, translation, and rotation. Our is today rotation. In rotation has center and angle. In rotation has center and angle. The center in this lesson is the origin point O, and the angle may be 90, 180, 360, and so on. Okay? Today we will talk about four angles: O and 360 degrees, O and 180 degrees, O and 90 degrees, O and 270 degrees. First, if we have any point X and Y, by rotation O, origin point, and 360 degrees, the image is X and Y. It means what? It means when the rotation O and 360, the point X and Y doesn't have any change. Write the same numbers by same signs. Okay? So this rotation 360 is called identity rotation. Identity rotation. Number two, the O and 180. The point X and Y just change the sign. X transforms to negative X and Y to negative Y. So the reflection O and 180 will change the sign of X and Y. Pay attention, please. X and Y by rotation O and 90 degrees. First, replace by the two coordinates. X and Y became Y and X, and change the sign of Y. So now we did two operations. Number one, replace between the two coordinates X and Y. Number two, change the sign of Y. Last, rotation O and 270. This point X and Y transforms to number one, replace X, Y, and X, and change the sign of X. So we did two operations. Number one, replace between the two coordinates. Number two, change the sign of X. Pay attention, please. When we say O and negative 90, it means O and 270. When we say O and negative 270, it means O and 90. Okay? Now, for example, if we have this point 2 and negative 3, by transformation, by rotation, O and 360, 2 and negative 3 transforms to 2 and negative 3 without change. 2 and negative 3 by rotation O 180, we can write negative 2 and the positive 3, so we change the sign of two coordinates. 2 and negative 3 by rotation O and 90. Number one, replace negative 3 first and 2 second, but change the sign of Y. Then we can write 3, positive 3, and 2. By rotation O and 270, replace between the two coordinates -3 first and -2 second. So we replaced x and y and change the sign of x. Okay, now let's go to the exercise. Exercise: draw triangle ABC such that A 0 and 2, B 3 and 2, C 2 and 1. Then draw its image by rotation O and 90. First, we must represent the 3 points A, B and C and the join between them to represent triangle ABC. A 0 and 2. Pay attention. 0 and 2. Here write A. B 3 and 2. 3 and 2. And write B. Last, C2 and 1 and write C. Join between the 3 points to draw the triangle ABC. Yes. After that, the image of this triangle by rotation O and 90. Pay attention, please. O and 90, it means we replace the two coordinates and change the sign of the first or the y, or y, the second coordinate. 0 and 2, replace between 0 and 2, 0 here, and 2 became -2. 3 here became the second, and 2 -2. 2 the second, and 1 -1. Now we replace 0 2 became -2 0. 3 2 -2 3. 2 1 -1 and 2. Then represent these points 0 2, -2 and 0, -2 and 0 here. The second one, -2 and 3 here. B dash, here E dash. Last, -1 and 2 C dash. Now join between them. Now we have the new triangle E dash B dash C dash is the image of triangle ABC by rotation O and 90. Okay. Now we have finished this video. With me in a new video, and bye bye.